ladies and gentlemen. You still haven't moved me off stage. I'm proud of that, personally. I was expecting that by now. You guys are a lot easier than I expected. I haven't seen anybody that scared in a while. Not since I started here, and everyone's like, why is he so loud? I don't, why does he have to shout at everything? I don't, and now he's just running after people? What's going on? I don't get it. But here I am today, because apparently you can't get enough of that weird stuff that I do. Only think something else to say. Who here has heard of Rick Astley? Anyone? Rick Astley? No? Anyone? No, I'm just kidding. It's 80s music? Oh, wait, one moment, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you the person that believes he knows everything. And, you know, I am inferior in light of this man right here. He is my father. Take the feet back with me. Give him a hand, everyone. So, I'll teach you. It's my show. Well, enough out of me. Give it up for Alex Bernhardt, a fellow senior of mine, along with Laura Simon. I forgot to mention that, didn't I? I'm a horrible MC.
Strangers to love, know the rules, and so do I. I'm for commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just want to tell you how I'm feeling, how to make you understand. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you